Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this flying phone animation in the CapCut mobile. So first, you just need to add a video that you want to make it's a flying phone animation, and after that, just click on the video and add to animation. Click on the combo tab and just swipe through the options until you find the smartphone or the phone animation. So there are three smartphone animations that you can use. Let's try this first one. Okay, you can see this flying animation. You can see just like this. And the other options is here. So you can just choose which one that you think you like the best. I'm going to add this one. Click on the check icon, and to change the background, just click on the background option, and here I'm going to use the blur. Okay, click on the check icon and you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.